Let's learn flower names. It's called a rose. Rose, rose. It's known as lily. Lily, lily. It's a lotus. Lotus, lotus. It's a sunflower. Sunflower, sunflower. It's a marigold. Marigold, marigold. It's known as hibiscus. Hibiscus, hibiscus. It's known as tulip. Tulip, tulip. It's known as jasmine. Jasmine, jasmine. It's known as daisy. Daisy, daisy. It's known as lavender. Lavender, lavender. It's known as dahlia. Dahlia, dahlia. It's known as bluebell. Bluebell, bluebell. It's known as water lily. Water lily, water lily. It's known as orchids. Orchids, orchids. It's known as iris. Iris, iris. It's known as calendula. Calendula, calendula. It's known as poppy. Poppy, poppy. It's known as daffodil. Daffodil, daffodil. It's known as snowdrop. Snowdrop, snowdrop. It's known as geranium. Geranium, geranium. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Hatch curiosity, grow knowledge, and keep watching, learning with eager A.